Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable payroll in Time Doctor. The first thing I want you to do is actually log in to your dashboard and make sure you are on an owner account. Only an owner can enable payroll. So you come here at the top navigation bar, you click on settings, you get this drop down, right? I want you to come here, click on company settings. And when you're on this page, here on the left hand panel, you should see configuration. You'll see this section. Click on this. It will take you right here. Just go ahead and scroll down. You'll see this use payroll. Make sure this one is toggled on. And of course, you can choose who can edit the payroll. You can give other people permissions as well. Okay, and then you can just come here, click on payroll, and begin configuring it. So I'll show you that it's actually enabled right here, and you can easily access it. Before you enable it, this option will not be there, as you can see right here. And that is how to enable payroll in Time Doctor.